So this is originally $9.90. Now it's $5.95. So almost half off. I'll try. Sweet. But there's some sourness to it as well, but sweet. Good. Minus the mold. Red kiwi. Originally $8.25. Now $7.45. How can we eat this? Oh, there's 6. It's... Yeah. Got it. Okay, let's try the red kiwi. Parang hilaw pa siya. Pero imukbang na natin. Parang hilaw pa nga. Oh, look at these. Tiny. You can't see it. It might fall. Sarap. Kahit parang hilaw pa siya, pero masarap. Lasang kiwi ba? Siguro. Pero parang may kakaibang lasa. Parang mas matamis siya kaysa dun sa regular. Dun sa green, tsaka dun sa gold. I prefer this. Siguro lalo na pagka mas hinog pa siya. Look. So good. Sarap. Medyo maasim kasi yung medyo hilaw pa siya. Pero kahit na medyo hilaw pa siya, mas matamis siya. Ano daw? May matamis, may maasim. Okay? Ken. Let's try this. Parang taho na walang sago. Naka-sale kasi siya, kaya try natin. Oh, dalawa siya. Tapos yung sauce nakahiwalay pala. So, soya, bean curd. Ang English ng tao. Oh, inom muna tayo. Wait. Commercial. Inom muna tayo ang kape. I'm so fat. Look at my fat. Oh, don't look at my fat. Ito natin. Oh. Oh, taho. Tikman natin kung lasang taho. Yeah? May lasa na siya. Hindi kagaya ng taho sa Pilipinas na hindi matamis. Ito matamis. So, lagyan pa rin natin ng pampatamis pa. Pero masarap na siya. Ito yung sauce. Uwa! Ang labnaw ng sauce. Tikman natin yung sauce. Lasang ano yung sauce? Yung sauce ng sumang dapa. Ayun, lasang ganun. Lasang sangkaka. Kasi coconut sugar yung gamit, kaya yeah. Lasang sauce siya ng suman. So good! Bili pa tayo nito. Oh, kumakalat na sa lahat. Mix natin. Parang taho na walang sago. Kung may sago sana, Perfect. Mm. Very refreshing. Ang sarap. Mm. Perfect. Very young. Oh. Okay. Looks like a champorado to me. But we'll see. Okay. Of course, there's good. I think this is coconut milk. Yeah, coconut milk. And this is black glutinous rice. Oh. Okay. 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 Yeah. Tastes like champurrado. But more of like the red bean kind. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Ah. Okay. Yeah, okay. Oh my god. It's a coconut milk, but it's like mm, yeah. Dapat kasi galing siya sa rep, kaya naging coconut cream na siya. Mix natin. Mm. Mm. It's better with the coconut milk. It's good. Mm. This is a good dessert. Oh my god. It's so good. Mm. This brand, yung taho din ito, super nice. I enjoy this. Choco Pie. Special edition. Actually, 2024. It has like a Vietnamese character. Vietnamese words in it. But this is Su Bac. This is watermelon in Korean. So let's try this. I actually saw yung parang Sakura version nito. Kaya lang di ko siya nabili. So wala na siguro nun. Sana makita ko pa siya. But let's try this. It looks so good. Let's try it. So sabi 12 daw na. Ooh. It looks so good. Hopefully it tastes so good as well. Wow. Look. Smells artificial. Of course. Ooh, it's very soft. Wow. Oh, it has, of course it has mallow. What? It doesn't taste like watermelon. Anong lasa yun? Hindi siya lasang pakwan. I'm not so sure. Lasang artificial. Actually, lasang artificial strawberry. I'm not kidding. It looks like watermelon, but tastes like strawberry. But it's very interesting. It's good to try. And I got it on sale. So, yeah. Hopefully I can find a new variety of this.